Are you wondering how much money people are actually getting from the Facebook privacy settlement, and if the payout is even worth it? Millions of users across the United States have been waiting to hear about their share of the massive $725 million settlement, and now payments have started rolling out. The big question everyone has is how much each person will receive, and the answer may surprise you. This settlement is connected to years of legal battles over Facebook's handling of user data, with allegations that personal information was shared without proper consent. Meta agreed to pay out, but with so many claims filed, the final amount per person is not nearly as huge as some expected. Reports show that users are receiving small amounts, often in the range of just a few dollars to maybe $30 depending on when they joined and how long they had an account. Eligibility was open to U.S. residents who had a Facebook account at any time between May 24, 2007 and December 23, 2022, and millions jumped at the chance to file before the deadline. The payments are being sent through different methods like PayPal, Venmo, direct deposit, or even checks, but not everyone has seen their payout yet, which has led to a lot of confusion and questions about timing. Some people wonder if this whole thing is even legit, but it is an official settlement handled through the courts. And while the amounts are not life-changing, the fact that Meta had to pay says something about accountability. Whether you've already received a few dollars or you're still waiting for a notification, this video breaks down what's really happening with the Facebook settlement, how the payout system is unfolding, and what you can realistically expect.